Number 1. Which country hosted the 2018 FIFA World Cup? A. France. B. Russia. C. Brazil. D. Germany. Answer B. Russia. Number 2. Who is the only player to win the FIFA World Cup as both a player and a coach? A. Franz Beckenbauer. B. Didier Deschamps. C. Mario Zagallo. D. Zinedine Zidane. Answer C. Mario Zagallo. Number 3. Which club has won the most Premier League titles? A. Manchester United. B. Chelsea. C. Arsenal. D. Liverpool. Answer A. Manchester United. Number 4. Who is the youngest player to score in a FIFA World Cup? A. Pelé. B. Lionel Messi. C. Kylian Mbappe. D. Diego Maradona. Answer A. Pelé. Number 5. Which country won the first ever FIFA World Cup in 1930? A. Brazil. B. Uruguay. C. Argentina. D. Italy. Answer B. Uruguay. Number 6. Who is the all-time top scorer for the Brazilian national team? A. Pelé. B. Neymar. C. Ronaldo. D. Romario. Answer B. Neymar. Number 7. Which player has the most goals in a single UEFA Champions League season? A. Cristiano Ronaldo. B. Lionel Messi. C. Robert Lewandowski. D. Ruud van Nistelrooy. Answer A. Cristiano Ronaldo. Number 8. Which country has won the most Copa America titles? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Uruguay. D. Chile. Answer C. Uruguay. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest video.